Welcome once again to chemistry tutorials with Dr. Emmanuel Edun. And we are going to be solving this question today. What are the reactants responsible for the formation of the compound? You have the compound here, CH3, CH2 into bracket 2, COO, CH3. Okay? So how do we solve this question? First, let's write out the product completely. CH3, CH2, no, you have two of it here, CH2, COO, CH3. Now this is an alkanoid, otherwise known as esters. So this particular compound belongs to the alkanoid homologous series or the ester homologous series. So how do we now get the reactants that are reacted together to form this? Now, esters are formed through esterification process. That is a reaction between an alcohol and an alkanoic acid in the presence of H2SO4 to form esters and water only. So how do we know the reactant exactly that is responsible for this? Now, you will check the alkyl on the right hand side there. The name of this one is methyl. Let's start from there first. This is CH3 is methyl. Methyl 1, 2, 3, 4. Methyl butanoate. Okay? So in the formation of this compound, the alkyl here came from the alcohol that reacted from the reaction. Don't forget that this is an ester formed from esterification process involving alcohol and alkanoic acid to form esters and water only in the presence of H2SO4. Okay, so this one is the one attached to the alcohol. So I will have CH3OH. So definitely this is methanol. Now reacting with the other side came from the carboxylic acid or the alkanoic acid involved in the reaction. Definitely that is butanoic acid. So we have CH3, CH2, CH2, COOH. So by the time these two react together, so there's going to be a cleavage here, and then you are going to have CH3, CH2, CH2, COO, and there will also be a cleavage here, whereby the alkyl here will now come join with this, and the H and the OH that has cleaved away from here will be the one to form water. And don't forget, this reaction is done in the presence of concentrated H2SO4 as the catalyst of this process. So the answer to this question is the reactants are methanol and butanoic acid. I believe this helps somebody to understand chemistry better. See you in the next class.